Hi, my name is Sage, and this is my farming video. Alright, so in this video I'm just gonna water the crops that we made, and I already watered it, so I'm just gonna water it again. And before I start the video, I'm gonna let you know that I'm only wearing this jacket for the duration of the video. It's almost summer right now. I mean, like, the temperature is summer, and yeah, like, really, like, I'm not gonna wear this in summer, but for this video, just for the duration of the video. Alright, so this is day 20, and today is May 26, 2020. It's Tuesday right now, but I make this video every Monday. Yeah, so I used to the video of making this farm, make it every as often as I can, but since we're only watering the plants now, it's just every Monday. All right, let's start. Alright, so for those who are new in this video, these are actually corn, and right now every plant has one corn in it, and some has two already. Alright, so I'm gonna close the video now, and this is how tall they are now. It's almost at my waist. Okay, so my name is Sage, and this is my farming video. I'll see you on Monday. Bye.